How to FaceTime someone with Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device, and what you can simply do is search for FaceTime application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for FaceTime over here. Now as you do that, you can see there's no direct option to download FaceTime. We do not have the accessibility to download and install FaceTime on the Android phone. So this shows that FaceTime with someone on Android phone is not possible. However, we can have video calls over different particular apps over here like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and so on. We can use third-party apps or other apps to have a FaceTime or have a video call, but using FaceTime application will not be possible. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.